Let's see how you can easily collect a particular customer's phone number through a chatbot automation and send SMS campaigns as well. So here I'm in a demo account with all these channels connected. So here we have already connected a Twilio phone number. So if you're wondering how to connect a Twilio phone number on our platform, simply click on channels option over here. So where you can simply find the SMS and click on connect. So you will need to simply grab the account SID and the auth token as well. So here we have a guide where you can simply grab the account SID and auth token from Twilio and simply select the phone number you have purchased on Twilio and simply connect it. So once you have connected a phone number, you can actually send any sort of SMS marketing campaigns as well. So here we have also connected the other channels such as Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp as well. So let's see how to trigger Instagram comments automation, collect a particular customer's phone number and then send SMS marketing campaigns as well. So here if we go to the flows section, we have created those flows right here. So this is the one, phone number capture SMS for SMS campaign. So this is the flow where it actually captures the particular customer's phone number. So it actually asks whether you want to receive the exclusive updates, and if they say yes, we simply ask them to provide the phone number right here. And once they provide the phone number, we actually set them the SMS opt-in which ensures that you have the permission to send them the SMS. And after that, we send the confirmation message saying you will receive your first offer shortly. So here after the confirmation message, we are also subscribing them to a drip campaign, simple SMS campaign, where these 3 SMS messages are linked in. So here if we go to the marketing tools over here and choose a drip campaign, so let me show the drip campaign we have created. So drip campaign, and here we have created a drip campaign named as simple SMS campaign, and here we have those 3 flows set up: SMS1, SMS2, SMS3, and we actually set up this in such a way to trigger immediately 1 minute and again 1 minute, but you can actually set specific hours and days as well. So here if we go to this particular SMS1 automation, so let me go back to the flows section over here and show you. So let me go to the flows section and let me choose let me make sure this particular flow is published. All right, and let me go back to this particular SMS1. So here we have this SMS1 sending them a particular discount coupon. So let's see what sort of SMS do we have. So this is the second SMS we are going to send, SMS3 as well. So here this is the SMS3 we are sending. So here when you create a new message type, you can actually set it to omnichannel, or if you want to send SMS, just choose SMS as well. So that's how all these flows are set up right here. Let's see how to collect a particular customer's phone number from the Instagram comments. For that, let me go back to these marketing tools over here and let me choose Instagram. In the Instagram comments automation, let me create a new one and let me say SMS marketing just for the demo, and you can actually trigger this automation on all the posts or choose a specific post as well, and private replace. So this is the important thing where you have to trigger this particular flow which we just created to collect a particular customer's phone number. So the phone number capture for SMS campaign. So here let me choose that particular flow. All right, and public reply to comment. So you can also set specific variations for the public comment reply as well. For example, send you a DM send, something like this. For here let me choose none. And when you want to trigger this automation, so let's say I want to trigger this automation only if they comment as offer. All right, so if they comment as offer, then we want to trigger this automation. And here you have other options as well, and here you can also trigger this immediately or wait few seconds as well. So let me trigger this immediately and click save. And it is important you make sure to activate this one before you test as well. All right, so now we can test how this actually works. So let me share my phone screen over here, and here let me open a random post. So let me open this particular post over here, add a comment right here as offer. So that was the keyword we set up right there. So offer was the keyword. So now it should actually send us a message. So here we receive the message. We got something exciting, exclusive updates, would you like to receive it? So let me say yes, send me the updates. So now it should actually ask me to provide the phone number right there. So it asked me to provide the phone number, so let me provide a phone number right here, 917-243-5673. so let me provide the phone number. So now it should actually send me this sort of confirmation message over here, and also it should subscribe them to the drip campaign as well. So this is a drip campaign. Start receiving those 3 SMS after 1 minute delay as well. So here the first SMS will be sent immediately, and after that the second one will be sent with a 1 minute delay. So here this is the first SMS we set up, and here you see the second SMS as well. So in another 1 minute it will send the third SMS to the customer right there as well. So since you collect a particular customer's phone number, you have the option to send the SMS manually right here as well. And if you want to send them a message through Instagram, you can also do that right here as well. And that's a quick video on how you can send SMS marketing campaigns to your customers. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.